Hello, my dear lovely children. How are you all? I hope you people are absolutely fit and fine. So, during the past 1.5 years, you all are at home or at your village. You people have not gone out for vacation or on a tour. So, today I will be taking you on a virtual tour, and this tour is on the historical monuments of India. So, first, I will take you to the Sun Temple, Konark, which is a scientific marvel of ancient India. Every ancient temple or building tells the saga of India's rich heritage, scientific and architectural marvel, and extreme devotion. The Konark Sun Temple, located on the shores of Bay of Bengal in the small town of Konark of district Puri, Odisha, is an outstanding proof of all this. So just see this map. We are now in the eastern part of India in Odisha. Now this Konark temple is located 35 kilometers from Puri, and it is 65 kilometers from Bhubaneswar, which is the capital of Odisha. The temple was built on the mouth of river Chandrabhaga, but later the water line receded. So now you will not find this river anymore because the water has receded, it has all dried up. The temple was constructed during the period of Narasimha Deva I, and the architect was Bisu Maharana. The temple was built by 1200 workers over 12 years. Now, during the final stages, the craftsmen felt difficulty in completing the temple, and then the son of Bisu Maharana, Dharmapada, placed a strong magnetic rod in the dome at the top, which attracted the iron ore laden rocks and kept the temple stable. The temple is constructed from ferruminous sandstone. So you can see this sandstone. The entire Konark temple has been built using this stone. Now see, there are 7 horses on which the entire temple is made. See, these are 4 horses, and the other side of the temple has 3 horses. And these 7 horses are said to symbolize the 7 days of the week. And now you can see this is the picture of a huge lion. There are 2 lions in it. Each lion is shown crushing an elephant. Beneath each elephant lies the human body.